Hello again. Today I'm gonna pick and gut this ASSA D12 lock we brought from our summer holiday in Sweden. It's a 6-pinner and it's the level 2 version which has one elongated key pin which is in this case in chamber number 5, and it provided quite a challenge. So let's start. First of all, I will set the elongated pin in chamber number 5. Nice click from there, another click. Now the pins in chambers number 1 to 4. I apply only light tension. Sounds good already. Rather feels good. Let's see if we're ready to set pin number 6. Nice click from there. Back to the front. Oh, I think we lost something somewhere. Let's try that pin number 6 again. But it feels good. Must be something in the front. And there we go. The ASSA D12. So then let's also start gutting it, which is very easy with this lock because it's very gut friendly. It has only one bolt inside, which we can simply screw out, and it holds back the springs and the driver pins. We will not be able to remove the key pins from here, but at least the drivers and the springs. This is the bolt. Let's put it inside the tray. And let's take the springs and drivers out, which is quite simple. Simply drop out. And then we can unscrew the core. Let's align it so that the key pins fix it. Doesn't move anymore. So now we can unscrew this little screw here. Which holds back some kind of shield. And then we can remove this ring, which holds the core in the Bible. And now we can simply take the core out without any tension, without any shimming. It's very easy. So Bible looks normal, nothing special here. And these are the key pins. Let's take them out. It's number 1. 2, 3, 4. The elongated number 5 looks different because it has this cut for the key to pass. And last but not least, number 6. Core has nothing, has counter millings in it, in all the chambers. And this is what the bitting looks like. So that's it, the ASSA D12. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.